Ever dreamt of that perfect place, that corner of the world you can truly call your own? A place where memories are made, laughter echoes, and roots grow deep? But then, reality hits, and the question looms, how on earth do you finance it? How do you navigate the labyrinth of mortgage options? If you've been scrolling through endless websites, trying to decipher terms like jumbo loan or adjustable rate, you are not alone. And if SoFi, that modern financial powerhouse, has popped up on your radar, you are likely wondering, what exactly do they offer? Let's be honest, the world of mortgages can feel like a foreign language. It's filled with jargon, complex calculations, and enough paperwork to make your head spin. But fear not. Today, we're going to demystify SoFi's mortgage offerings and break down exactly what they bring to the table. We'll explore the different types of loans they provide, the unique advantages they offer, and whether they might be the right fit for your homeownership journey. So, why SoFi? What makes them stand out from the traditional banks and lenders we're all familiar with? Well, SoFi, or Social Finance Incorporated, has built a reputation for being a tech-driven financial services company. They've carved out a niche by catering to a digitally savvy audience, offering streamlined processes and a focus on customer experience. They're known for their student loan refinancing, personal loans, and, yes, mortgages. Now, let's dive into the core of our discussion, the types of mortgage loans SoFi offers. First and foremost, SoFi provides conventional fixed-rate mortgages. These are the bread and butter of the mortgage world. They offer stability and predictability, with an interest rate that remains constant throughout the life of the loan. This means your monthly payments will stay the same, allowing you to budget effectively and plan for the future. SoFi's fixed-rate mortgages are available in various terms, typically ranging from 10 to 30 years, giving you flexibility in choosing a repayment schedule that aligns with your financial goals. Why are fixed-rate mortgages so popular? Well, they provide a sense of security. You know exactly what your payments will be, shielding you from potential interest rate fluctuations. In today's volatile economic climate, that peace of mind is invaluable. Next, SoFi offers adjustable rate mortgages, ARMs. These loans start with a fixed interest rate for a specific period, after which the rate adjusts periodically based on market conditions. For example, a 5-to-1 ARM would have a fixed rate for the first 5 years, and then the rate would adjust annually thereafter. ARMs can be attractive for borrowers who anticipate moving or refinancing before the adjustment period begins, or for those who believe interest rates will decline. SoFi provides various ARM options, including 5-1, 7-1, and 10-1 ARMs, allowing you to choose the initial fixed-rate period that best suits your needs. However, it's crucial to understand the risks associated with ARMs. If interest rates rise, your monthly payments could increase significantly. SoFi provides detailed information and tools to help you understand the potential impact of rate adjustments, ensuring you make an informed decision. Beyond conventional and adjustable rate mortgages, SoFi also caters to higher value properties with jumbo loans. These loans exceed the conforming loan limits set by Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. They're designed for borrowers purchasing luxury homes or properties in high-cost areas. Jumbo loans often come with stricter qualification requirements, such as higher credit scores and larger down payments. SoFi's jumbo loan program offers competitive rates and flexible terms, tailored to the unique needs of high-net-worth individuals. One of the key advantages of SoFi's mortgage offerings is their focus on streamlining the application and approval process. They leverage technology to simplify the paperwork and reduce the time it takes to get approved. Their online platform allows you to apply for a mortgage, upload documents, and track your loan status from the comfort of your home. SoFi also emphasizes personalized service. They assign a dedicated loan officer to each borrower, providing guidance and support throughout the entire process. This personal touch can be particularly valuable for first-time homebuyers who may feel overwhelmed by the complexities of mortgage financing. Furthermore, SoFi offers competitive interest rates and low fees. They understand that affordability is a crucial factor for many borrowers, and they strive to provide cost-effective solutions. Their focus on efficiency and technology allows them to pass on savings to their customers. Another important aspect to consider is SoFi's eligibility requirements. They generally look for borrowers with strong credit scores, stable income, and a reasonable debt-to-income ratio. They also consider factors such as employment history and assets. SoFi also provides pre-qualification, which can be a vital step in the home buying process. Pre-qualification gives you an estimate of how much you can borrow, allowing you to shop for homes within your budget. It also strengthens your position when making an offer, as sellers are more likely to consider offers from pre-qualified buyers. Now, let's quickly touch on some of the key points to remember when evaluating SoFi's mortgage options. Fixed-rate mortgages offer stability and predictable payments. Adjustable-rate mortgages, ARMs, provide lower initial rates but come with the risk of future rate adjustments. Jumbo loans cater to high-value properties and require stricter qualifications. Online application process streamlines the paperwork and reduces approval time. Personalized service offers dedicated loan officers for guidance and support. Competitive rates and low fees aims to provide cost-effective solutions. Pre-qualification helps you understand your borrowing capacity. It's also important to remember that every financial situation is unique. What works for one person may not work for another. So, before making any decisions, it's essential to carefully evaluate your financial goals, risk tolerance, and long-term plans. Consider these key questions. How long do you plan to stay in the property? What is your risk tolerance for interest rate fluctuations? What is your budget, and how much can you comfortably afford each month? What are your long-term financial goals? By answering these questions, you can determine which mortgage option best aligns with your needs. SoFi, with its modern approach and diverse mortgage offerings, presents a compelling option for many homebuyers. Their focus on technology, personalized service, and competitive rates sets them apart from traditional lenders. However, it's crucial to do your research, compare different lenders, and choose the mortgage that best suits your individual circumstances. Remember, purchasing a home is a significant financial decision. It's essential to be informed, prepared, and confident in your choices. Take your time, ask questions, and seek professional advice when needed. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.